of course, is to build green roofs as thin as possible and as light as possible and inexpensively as possible.
And it turns out that local students could be the key. That tops tonight's Your Money. Here is News Channel 8's business reporter, Joe Smith.
Good evening, Tracy. The landscape for green roofs in Portland is growing. When Walmart's new store in Delta Park opens next month, it will sprout the city's largest eco-roof and the only one on the West Coast for the retail giant. It will also serve as a research lab to learn how going green on top is good for the bottom line. If Walmart is known for one thing, it's about doing things in a big way. This 92,000 square foot store in Delta Park is getting ready to open next month. But this is not your typical Walmart.
We've done a couple hundred roofs over the years.
Charles Miller is a green roof designer. This one covers nearly half the roof, 40,000 square feet. It's Walmart's third. Two others are in Chicago.
What you can't easily see looking at the roof now, but this roof varies in thickness from 3 inches to 5 inches deep.
One benefit is to measure the impact of stormwater runoff.
How can we reduce the volume of water that's released to the sewer and the sewers? How can we improve its quality? How can we reduce the rate at which it's released?
But the roof's goals go deeper. It's a classroom for students at PSU's Green Research Lab.
It's a huge opportunity for us to engage students in research that's connected to both the environment but also the community.
For 2 years, students using sensors and a weather station will remotely monitor and test different aspects of green roof design and its impact outside and inside the building.
In terms of energy conduction or heat conduction into the building, and also in terms of the mechanical equipment that's on the roof.
One side benefit, air conditioning condensation will feed bird baths. The eco roof was part of Walmart's agreement with the city to give the store a greener hue, including skylights to reduce in-store lighting.
There are recycled ash concrete flooring, there's LED lighting, there's low-flow water usage.
Top to bottom, a lesson plan for students that will ultimately teach the world's largest retailer a thing or two.
So if there are things that we can do in our building and learn from this roof that may apply in future buildings, that's great.
Now, the new Delta Park store opens November 13th. By the way, this one store is creating 270 full and part-time jobs.